What happens to your garden waste once it's collected from your house? When your garden waste is collected from your household or a recycling centre, it's taken to a waste transfer station. From here, the garden waste is delivered to a composting facility like Birch Airfield Composting Services in North Essex and is weighed on arrival. After passing over the weighbridge, the contents of the truck are tipped out for inspection. Items that shouldn't be in the garden waste, such as crisp packets, plastic and plant pots, have to be picked out by hand. These items would otherwise impact the quality of the compost. After the picking process, the waste is shredded into small pieces and piled up in long heaps called windrows. Each pile must have the right combination of materials, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and water, to allow the composting process to work efficiently. The shredded waste will remain in these piles for 8 weeks, as the naturally occurring microbacteria, yeast and fungi break down organic material into compost. A 360 excavator turns the piles 3 times during the 8-week process. This moves the material on the outside to the middle and ensures oxygen is present. Through the activity of the microbes, the middle of the pile can get as hot as 70 degrees Celsius. After 8 weeks, most of the material has broken down and it's time to screen the pile. Screening takes out any non-compostable material that was missed the first time and larger material that needs further composting. Large mechanical sieves are used to grade the compost into different products. The finished compost is sold to farmers for agricultural use and landscapers for use in gardens and parks. Essex farmers use compost from Birch Airfield Composting Services. This compost is being spread at a farm in Essex that will grow wheat. By taking the time to recycle your garden waste, you're helping to protect our planet. Together, we can make a difference.